Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Taurus, it's Sign. This is June weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. Guys, this is general. If it is not resonate, don't force to fill in. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Taurus. Messages for Taurus. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Under the deck, the Emperor, Ace of Pentacles, Seven of Pentacles, and Two of Swords. I think you are at some crossroads, Taurus. You have to make some decision, but you are unable to make. And Seven of Pentacles is here. Maybe you are waiting on someone or something. In finances wise, you invested money in some businesses and waiting for the result. Yes, you are planning financial stability. You want financial stability. For some new opportunities are coming, and especially Ace of Pentacles, financial stability. You are creating more money and you are taking your control back. The Emperor mode you will be in near future. New opportunities are coming towards you, Taurus, especially your money looking very good. So let's see your reading recent past, Justice, the Fool, and the Chariot. So there are some issues between you and your person. Maybe you decided to cut off this person from your life and you want to be in the present moment and going with the flow. So you want to be in the full energy and you're trying to move on from this person. Yes. And the person involved in this connection could be especially Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Libra, then Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Leo. So there is some confusion because you are at some crossroads. Then present the World, Nine of Cups, and the Strength. So some cycles are going to be end between you and your person. For some, you both are in long distance relationship, living in different cities, countries, or states. So your wishes are going to be granted. What you are wishing for are going to be granted. Especially you are working on yourself because the Strength card is here. So for some, those who are in separation, definitely you overcome that pain. For those who are in this period, you will overcome. And future, Nine of Swords, Five of Cups, and Page of Cups. Yes, you are, for those who are not unable to overcome, you're still getting thoughts and you are in depression and anxiety energy. You're still feeling sad. But they are coming back. Someone is coming back for apology, with an apology, because Page of Cups is here. They want to text you, they want to message you. For some, it could be a brand new person, but according to me, this could be a past person. They want to say apology to you. For some, children's also involved in this connection. So Taurus, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity. Yeah, they are rushing to communicate with you after the transformation. Yeah, right now they're in the process of making decision. For some, maybe your person going through some legal issues and your person going through some transformation, and the person involved in this connection could be Virgo, but they are rushing to communicate with you. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. Taurus. The Moon. Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Pisces. Five of Cups with Ace of Cups. They do love you guys, but they're not expressing, Taurus, and they're very, very attracted to you. Ace of Wands and Three of Swords. Right now they're heartbroken without you if you're in separation with this person. So they're very attracted to you, and but they're not expressing their feelings to you. There are some issues going between you and your person, but they are missing you badly. they do love you. Yes, their love towards you is overflowing. So let's see their intentions. Yeah, they are coming back with an apology. They are wishing for this connection and they are going to be express their love to you. Yes. After they're expressing their apology to you, they will express their love, they will offer their cup of love to you. But for some, there are some trust issues between both of you. Definitely they have regrets, guys, Taurus, because in past they did hurt you. Now they have regrets. They're realizing their mistake and they're realizing your value. And the person involved in this connection could be a lot of water energy, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Pisces. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Two of Pentacles with Eight of Swords. I think your person feeling stuck and juggling, but they are thinking about Ten of Cups with you. They are thinking about reconciliation if you are in separation, and they are thinking about you a lot. For some, maybe they will take more time because they're feeling stuck and juggling. For some, definitely they will take less time. It depends on your resistance and your thoughts also. But they will make a move towards you. And there is communication is coming for sure. Taurus. Yes, you also missing them. You are also heartbroken without your person, and you also love this person a lot. For some, you fed up with this relationship with this person, and you are very tired and you are very drained. Yes, because in past they played games with you. Now they have regrets, but it's up to you totally to accept or reject. So let's see mutual. Lot of air energy. The person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Libra. Yeah, rebirth, communication. Yes, right now you both are in no contact situation for some, but there will be some communication very soon between you and your person. And for some, you both have age differences also. Yeah, for some there will be rebirth in this connection. For some, it depends on your situation, but there will be some communication and they will reach out to you and they will express and they will offer their cup of love to you. And you both are thinking about each other a lot. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Taurus. Yes, they realized their mistake. I already told you. I realized my mistake. I am serious about you. I can't give you what you need. New love is coming. And mask, stability is coming. So the messages are stability is coming. I realized my mistake. I'm serious about you. I can't give you what you need. New love is coming and mask. So these are the messages. Take what resonates and leave the rest. So under the deck, show the world the real you, full moon in Aquarius. So if you are hiding emotions, any feelings, so express with your loved ones. Don't hide your emotions and feelings. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck, Taurus. Luck is on your side. New moon in Sagittarius energy. Definitely luck is on your side. This is the message. Let's see another message. Especially when new moon in Sagittarius. And a new start is coming. New moon. Wow. So for some, those who are in separation, definitely a new start is coming, especially when new moon is going. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.